Hi guys, magluluto po tayo ng plain noodles, Taiwanese what do you call this? Noodles. So, here we go. We start. Yan yung pan natin is mainit na siya. So, maglalagay ako ng oil. Yung oil natin. So, madalian lang to kasi ang init na ng pan natin. Yan, naglagay na ako ng oil. So, all the ingredients is chopped already para hindi na tayo maanuhan. Lagyan natin yung ating garlic. Tapos, lagyan natin yung onion. Bell pepper. You can use ramen noodles also. They're the same, but that one is Taiwanese plain noodles. Ayan. Tapos yung meat. You can use any kind of meat. Then add pepper. I'm gonna add soy sauce. Just mix it. Then we're gonna put hoisin sauce, just a little bit. There we go. Then we mix that. Habang nagpapakulo ako ng tubig sa kabila, I boiled some water in there para lutuin natin the noodles. We're gonna cook the noodles. So ayan, we're gonna cover it and let it steam. Ayan guys, the meat is really cool and cooked now. So now we're gonna add a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. Steam. Getting there. Cooking. Ayan. Nag-add ako ng dry and fresh onion leaves or spring onion. Yan na. Tapos, maglalagay ako ng oyster sauce. Yan. We cook as we go. I put some oyster sauce that probably like 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. So, ayan. Sarap-sarap. That helped the, what you call this, the sauce to be thickened. While our noodles is cooking, we're gonna add young corn. And this young corn is from our garden. Hindi ko na siya slicein. Ayan. It's from the garden. We have 4, but you can use also any kind of young corn, like you can buy that in the can. Then I'm gonna add the frozen green beans that I did also. I just put a little bit. And we just mix that. The beans is cooked already and it's frozen, so that is good. And then we're gonna add our cabbage that we sliced. This cabbage also from my garden. So, ayan, cooking. Then we're gonna try it, and if not, we're gonna add more of our salt. So, ayan. Sarap. So, we're gonna cover this for now, and then after that, when the vegetable is cooked, we're gonna add our noodles. So, lalagyan natin siya konting salt because of just to balance the flavor. And try that again. Ayan, sobrang sarap. It's so yummy. Now I'm gonna add my noodles that I cooked. And the noodles, just follow the instruction how they cook it. And then this one is cooked already. Ayan. So this is Vietnamese. Oh, Taiwan, it says Taiwan? Yeah, Taiwan plain noodles. Sorry guys. Taiwan plain noodles. So it's really yummy. So I low the heat now because I add the noodles now. You can see, looks yummy. Simple, fast to cook. Now we're gonna try, and then if now we can add more of soy sauce. Now that we add the noodles, it's gonna change the flavor now. So we're gonna try this. It is so good, but I'm gonna add soy sauce. Ayan, sobrang sarap. Give that color in there and more sodium. Ayan. Sobrang sarap. Lagyan natin yung meat. Sarap. Parang pansit ng Pilipinas. Yung sa Bisaya na pansit. Sa amin. Masarap yun eh. Bisaya pansit. Sarap-sarap. Turn off ko na yung ating heat. Ayan guys. Sobrang sarap. Ayan. Ang ating Taiwan plain noodles. Ayan.